In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a cute bunny rabbit cake topper. Take 55 grams of orange modelling paste and shape into a plant pot, and then 9 grams of chocolate brown modelling paste and shape into a mound of dirt. Next up, you want to roll out 10 grams of the orange modelling paste into a 1 centimetre wide strip and glue that around the top edge of the plant pot. Take 1.5 grams of modelling paste for each foot, shape into a cone and then gently flatten between your fingertips. Use the Dresden tool and the craft knife to create the toes. Attach the feet to the side of the plant pot, using one of the feet to cover up the seam line in the rim of the plant pot. Next, you want to create a small dome from 4 grams of the modelling paste. For the head, take 20 grams of modelling paste and roll into a smooth ball. Then place your thumbs or 2 ball tools into the paste to create 2 shallow wells. Use your fingertips just to smooth out the edges of those wells to create a nice smooth transition. Take a small ball of white modelling paste and roll into a capsule, and then flatten gently between your fingers. Shape a small piece of chocolate modelling paste into a tiny triangle and attach to the top of the muzzle. Push a medium ball tool into the eye sockets on either side of the nose, and then fill with 2 small balls of white modelling paste. Press a small ball tool into the inner corner of each eye and then fill those wells with small balls of black modelling paste. Press a really small ball tool into the upper left corner of each eye and then fill with 2 small balls of white modelling paste. Press the medium ball tool followed by a small ball tool into the top of the head to create holes to put the ears in. For the ears, you want 2 2.5 gram balls of modelling paste, shape them into taper-ended cones in the palm of your hand, and then use the bulbous cone tool to shape the inner ear. Pinch the bottom of each ear into a point and then add a little bit of glue to the holes in the top of the bunny's head before inserting the ears. For the flower, take 2.5 grams of modelling paste and split into 5 even-sized balls. Roll each ball into a cone and then gently flatten between your fingers. I hope you've enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Please pop a comment below and let me know what you think. And of course, I'd love to see you as a subscriber, so please hit that subscribe or follow button. My first book, Making Sugar Models, is out now from all reputable bookshops.